Okay, got MS360 Pro here. It came from city county government somewhere in western part of Virginia. I can't remember where. Still got their ID on it. They've been to the shop. They got a tag on it where it was serviced 8/16 of 20, and the shop never picked it up. So they just whoever what department over owned it, I guess they told them to sell it. So I come across it. It's a little dirty. I mean, I've cleaned it up a little bit, but I'm gonna start it up for you. Bear with me here a minute. Alright, it's got a brand new chain. I painted the bar because the bar was paint chips all over it, and so I just sanded it down and painted the bar. But there it is, 030 MS360 Pro.